you can choose to embed a video from YouTube in your Moodle course. To do this, you'll find your video on YouTube, and then you're going to click the share, and we're going to choose embed. This is going to give you some HTML code. We're going to choose to copy that code and then go back to our Moodle course. Now currently I have my edit settings turned on, so we want to make sure we have these options. I'm going to go to where I want my video to show. Now I can choose to have my video show right up on this main page, or I can stick it in an assignment. I can put it in a Moodle page, however I would like. If I want to put it on the main page, I'm going to choose Add an Activity Resource, scroll down to Resources, and I'm going to choose a label. I'm going to click Add. I'm going to open this up to get more options, and because I just downloaded some HTML code, I need to be in that editing view. So I'm going to click these icons here. And I'm just going to copy and paste, and then click this icon again, and now your video should show up. I'm going to click Save and Return to Course, and now you'll see the video shows up on my main page. Now maybe you don't want this here, and you don't need to do that. So you can choose to put it on, let's say, a Moodle page. So I'm going to scroll down, choose Page, and Add. Now I'll need to name the page that's going to show on the course main page. You can choose to add a description. Page content is really where you want. This is what the students are going to see. So again, I can type out some instructions, watch this video, you will be asked questions on this, whatever you would like. But to actually add in the video, again, I'm going to click this icon, paste my code, click it again, see my video. I'm going to click Save and Display so I can see what it looks like. And now you can see my title and my video. And so like I said, I could add other descriptions up if I want. So if I go back to my course, this is the first one I uploaded, and here's my second one. This is my Moodle page. So when I click into it, see that video. It's just that simple.